From the streets of London, I spent 20 years dispatch riding and 5 years club racing. And now, from the great state of Texas, I bring you Sir Patrick Bikes. So here we are, lovely day here in Texas. I moved here compared to southeast London, where I used to live. And we're going to do some work on the Triumph Thruxton. Some parts have turned up, and I'm going to show you what they are. So to start off with, I'm going to replace the switch gear on the right hand side, which is the kill switch. As you can see, is broken. So I'm hoping when I connect all this up, I'll be able to put the key in and it will fire up. This was like $100 off eBay. And on this side, we're going to replace this one as well. This is all scratched up and it's broken. And believe it or not, this was actually $90, even though there's a lot more of it. So. Now the clocks, I've just got them sitting there. I'm going to see if it starts. They are mullered, these clocks, so the bike will not start without the clocks being connected. So the clocks are connected, but I don't know if they're going to work or not. These clocks, to replace them with tax, is $1,000, which is insane. And like I said, the bike will not work without these clocks because of the electrical connection that they programmed into it. I've seen a pair on eBay for $500, $600, and at the time I thought, blimey, that's expensive, and didn't buy them. But I wish I had now, because there's nothing on eBay, so not sure what I can do. Anyway, here we go. Here goes nothing. Nothing is. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Will it work? Nothing. Damn it. I think it might just be, maybe it's a dead battery. I'm going to put the battery on charge. Damn it. Nice sunny day here in Texas, and the Kawasaki EX 400 or Z400, that is finally finished. I have it insured and it is registered for the road and ready to go. Now we're back looking at the Thruxton, and I'm going to try something else to see if I can get it started. So I've got an OBD2 which is going to connect to this Android phone and tell me what kind of fault codes the bike is throwing up. If you can see it. Error codes. P1614. So instrument ID incompatible, default cleared, but then it came straight back. So that's that. It's not starting, and that is that for the time being. So it looks like I need like a new set of clocks, which is $1,000 fix. That's a bummer. But anyway, the good news is the new seat has arrived.